Hey food lovers! Today I'm diving into the heart of the Mediterranean to bring you 5 must-try dishes that are not just delicious but also super healthy. Ready to tantalize your taste buds and get on the path to a healthier lifestyle? Let's go! First up, we've got Greek salad. Picture this: fresh, crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, red onions, Kalamata olives, and creamy feta cheese, all tossed in a light olive oil and lemon dressing. It's a symphony of flavors and so easy to make. Plus, it's packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Perfect for a quick lunch or a side dish. Next, let's talk about tabbouleh. This Lebanese gem is a vibrant mix of parsley, mint, tomatoes, and bulgur wheat, all finely chopped and dressed with olive oil and lemon juice. It's refreshing and has a nice tangy kick. Tabbouleh is not only a great source of fiber but also loaded with vitamins A and C. Trust me, it's a game changer. Moving on, we have hummus, a classic Mediterranean staple made from blended chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic. Hummus is creamy, rich, and incredibly versatile. You can dip veggies in it, spread it on sandwiches, or even use it as a salad dressing. Plus, it's a fantastic source of plant-based protein and healthy fats. Fourth on our list is shakshuka. Imagine poached eggs nestled in a spicy tomato and bell pepper sauce, simmered to perfection. Originating from North Africa, this dish is hearty, flavorful, and ideal for breakfast or brunch. The combination of veggies and eggs gives you a great mix of protein, fiber, and tons of essential nutrients. Serve it with some crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal. Last but not least, we have grilled fish. Whether it's sea bass, snapper, or mackerel, Mediterranean cuisine celebrates fresh, simply seasoned fish. Marinate your fish with olive oil, lemon, garlic, and fresh herbs, then grill it to perfection. It's light, full of flavor, and incredibly healthy. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it's great for your heart and overall well-being. So there you have it, 5 incredible Mediterranean dishes that are both delicious and healthy. Incorporate these into your diet and you'll not only enjoy amazing flavors, but also reap the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty and healthy food inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.